Hi there, I'm David.
And I'm Ben.
We've taken delivery today from Corero of one of their NTD 3400 devices, which is the latest in their line of smart wall DDoS protection products. As you can see, it's a 1U device with two 400 gig ports capable of providing 800 gig of throughput and up to 400 million packets per second of DDoS mitigation. Our recent investment in the network here at Fraction Servers has seen the rollout of 400 gig enabled Juniper MX304 routers across all of our main POPs. This has allowed us not only to be the first UK hosting provider to take up a 400 gig port on the London Internet Exchange, but also be the first network in Europe to roll out this new NTD 3400 from Corero.
The challenge that Fraction Servers posed Corero Networks Security was to deliver the very highest levels of accuracy in DDoS defense technology. And what Corero delivered was the latest generation of in-silicon filtration across an appliance basis to complement their 400 gigabit per second native core connectivity between Juniper MX routing devices.
We're going to be racking the NTD 3400 in our lab rack for testing before taking it to London to be brought into production. The new NTD 3400 offers 4 times the connectivity of the existing Corero devices on our network, with less than twice the power consumption. You can see here we have 400 gig DR4 optics going into the device, which will then be directly connected to one of our lab routers to test performance before we roll it out on our network.
What Fraction Servers delivers to its customers is carrier-grade networking capabilities with high-performance servers so that the capability of both the processing and the network stack is of the highest performance, complementing that with DDoS-defended network capability.
All of the servers that you can see on our website come with our on-demand DDoS protection. That means in the event of a denial of service attack, traffic is automatically rerouted through Corero devices like these and then returned to your server. So if you're looking for a server provider in the UK with DDoS protection, then visit our website at fractionservers.com.